Many woodworking projects offer a wealth of benefits for home decor, allowing individuals to express creativity, enhance functionality, and create personalized touches in their living spaces. These small-scale projects are accessible to beginners and seasoned woodworkers alike, making woodworking a rewarding and fulfilling hobby. Engaging in many projects not only beautifies a home, but also fosters a sense of accomplishment and connection to the materials used. One of the primary advantages of many woodworking projects is their ability to maximize the use of available space. In many homes, especially those with limited square footage, small decorative items can make a significant impact without overwhelming the area. Many projects can serve as essential organizational tools, such as small shelves, hooks, or boxes that help keep clutter at bay while adding a charming aesthetic. By utilizing vertical and horizontal space creatively, these projects can enhance both the functionality and visual appeal of a room. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of many woodworking projects ideas you can use in your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Many woodworking projects are often quick to complete, making them an ideal choice for those with busy schedules. Unlike larger woodworking endeavors that may require weeks or months to finish, small projects can often be completed in a single afternoon or weekend. This immediacy provides instant gratification, allowing individuals to see their efforts come to life quickly. The ability to complete a project in a short amount of time can be particularly motivating for beginners, helping them to build confidence in their skills and inspiring them to tackle more complex tasks in the future. Moreover, many woodworking projects encourage creativity and artistic expression. With a wide range of possibilities, individuals can experiment with different designs, styles, and finishes. Whether crafting a decorative picture frame, a small planter, or a unique piece of wall art, the creative freedom inherent in these projects fosters personal expression. This exploration of creativity can lead to the development of a unique style that reflects the homeowner's personality and aesthetic preferences, making the living space truly their own. The tactile experience of working with wood is another significant benefit of engaging in many woodworking projects. The process of selecting materials, cutting, sanding, and assembling provides a hands-on experience that can be both therapeutic and rewarding. Many people find that working with their hands allows them to disconnect from the digital world and immerse themselves in a more tangible, physical activity. This connection to the materials fosters a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship and the beauty of natural wood, enhancing the overall enjoyment of the woodworking process. Engaging in many woodworking projects can also serve as a powerful tool for stress relief. The act of creating something with one's hands can be meditative, providing a much-needed escape from the pressures of daily life. Focusing on the task at hand allows individuals to enter a state of flow, where worries and distractions fade away. This mindfulness can lead to improved mental well-being, making woodworking an excellent outlet for those seeking relaxation and calm. Furthermore, many woodworking projects can foster a sense of community and connection. Many individuals choose to share their creations with friends, family, or online communities, showcasing their work and inspiring others to embark on similar projects. This sharing of ideas and techniques can lead to collaborative efforts, where individuals come together to create something collectively. The sense of camaraderie that develops in these environments can enhance the overall experience of woodworking, transforming it into a shared passion rather than a solitary pursuit. The versatility of many woodworking projects is another appealing aspect. These projects can be tailored to fit various styles and themes, allowing individuals to create decor that complements their existing furnishings. For example, a rustic wooden wall hanging can enhance a farmhouse-style kitchen, while a sleek, modern shelf can elevate a contemporary living room. This adaptability ensures that many projects can seamlessly integrate into any home decor scheme, providing a cohesive look that enhances the overall aesthetic. Exploring many woodworking projects also presents opportunities for learning and skill development. Beginners can start with simple designs that introduce essential techniques, such as measuring, cutting, and finishing, while more experienced woodworkers can challenge themselves with intricate patterns or innovative designs. Each project serves as a chance to refine skills and expand knowledge, fostering a lifelong appreciation for woodworking as a craft. This continuous learning journey can lead to increased confidence and expertise, encouraging individuals to explore more complex projects as they progress. Additionally, many woodworking projects can have a positive impact on sustainability and environmental awareness. Many woodworkers choose to use reclaimed or sustainably sourced materials in their projects, contributing to more responsible consumption practices. By creating their own decor items, individuals can make conscious choices about the materials they use, reducing reliance on mass-produced goods. This alignment with sustainable practices not only enhances the aesthetic of a home, but also promotes eco-friendly values, fostering a deeper connection to the environment. Practicing woodworking through many projects can also yield financial benefits. By creating decorative items at home, individuals can save money compared to purchasing similar product from stores. This DIY approach allows for greater flexibility in design, ensuring that pieces are tailored to personal preferences and needs. Additionally, as individuals gain confidence and skill, they may choose to sell their creations at local craft fairs or online marketplaces, turning a hobby into a potential source of income. This entrepreneurial aspect of woodworking can be rewarding and fulfilling, providing a sense of accomplishment beyond the creative process. Creating many woodworking projects can also enhance a sense of personal achievement. Completing a project, regardless of its size, provides tangible evidence of one's abilities and dedication. This sense of accomplishment can be particularly motivating for beginners, as it reinforces the idea that they are capable of creating beautiful and functional pieces. Celebrating these small victories can foster a growth mindset, encouraging individuals to embrace challenges and continue exploring their creative potential. Incorporating many woodworking projects in a home decor can also serve to strengthen family bonds. Engaging in woodworking as a family activity allows parents and children to work together, fostering collaboration and communication. Sharing the experience of creating something together can lead to lasting memories and a sense of teamwork. This collaborative approach not only enhances the overall enjoyment of the process, but also instills important values such as patience, perseverance, and creativity in younger generations. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked mini woodworking projects ideas you can use in your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.